Okay, Chapter 6, Lesson 7, we'll be looking at equivalent expressions, and we're going to be breaking it down into two categories, with one variable and then two variables. So if we look at the one variable, we're going to start the problem 4, then in parentheses, we're going to have 6x. So remember, when we have parentheses, that means we're going to multiply. So all we're going to do is 4 times 6x is 24x. So when we multiply, all the letters and numbers go together. However, when we add, we need to make sure that only like terms are being added. In this case, Alex, I'm in the middle of a screencast. I'll help you in a second. There's 1, 2, 3 x's, so our answer is 3x. Number 3, we're going to do 3 times x times 11. In this case, since it's all multiplication, we're going to multiply it all together. So we have 3x times 11. So 3 times 11 is 33. So 33x. Number 4, we have 7x plus 8 plus x. Remember, when we're adding, we can only add the same terms together. So we have 7. This one has an x, and this one has an x. When I have 7x and I put another x together, I have 8x. And then the 8 is just going to stay by itself. Okay, and this one we're going to have two variables. That means we're going to have two different letters. So the first one we're going to look at is 14y plus x plus 22y. So this looks like the associative property. When we're adding, we just don't look at these, and let's add together. This one has a y, and this one has a y. I'm not circling the x because it doesn't have a y with it. 14 plus 22, we get 36y plus x. The x just stays by himself because he's not the same variable. 3x plus 9y plus 2x. Let's circle like terms. That means they have the same letter. 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 9y. The 9y stays separately because they don't have the same letter. Our next one is going to be 7, and then 3x plus y. This is the distributive property. So we're going to do 7 times 3x is 21x. And then 7 times y is 7y. And that's your answer. The next one, we have 12x plus 8y. We're going to factor in this one because I can see that 12 and 8 have a factor in common. That factor is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Remember, we still have that x. Plus 4 times 2 is y. Or not y, is 8. And we still have that y there. We're going to do another distributive one. 4, and then 2x plus y. So 4 times 2x is 8x. And 4 times y is 4y. We just put them right together. Our last one is 27x plus 18y. Because if we look at 27 and 18, we see that there's a factor that can go into it. And we take that factor out. That factor is 9. Because 9 times 3 is 27. Remember your x. Plus 9 times 2 is 18. Remember your y. And that is how you do that.